Hey, so we're out here at our new listing coming next week. We're wrapping up all the finishes that we've done on this property. I want to show you what we do for our clients when you have us help you sell your house. So I'm gonna go through the house real quick, show you all the things that we've done to this house to make it beautiful. It's gonna sell quick, and then tell you all the great contractors that we use so that you have reliable people you can call when you have work and we can keep them busy. So let's go take a look. So outside 791 Rancho Drive. First person that we use is we had Circle State's Juan Bedilio weed. Get all the weeds out of here. And then he's sprayed them. So Circle Scape, we'll put the little, if you're in social media, you'll be able to see him. We'll send him contact information below. So he's a good person to use if you have landscape projects or you want reoccurring lawn maintenance. He helps us with a lot of clients. And then we did full paint. So we painted the whole inside. That's DB Painting, Miguel. He's our go-to, helps all of our clients. Does a great job, picked a beautiful color, and did a real good job. And then we had, so call him, we'll put his information below. Then we had Ross Commercial Cleaning, Jose over there. He cleaned the house once we were done to have it professionally cleaned. Did a great job. Kind of look that way. So we had the whole house painted, obviously. We had new carpets. So that's Best Hardwood Flooring. And we'll put their information below. They did a great job. Reasonable price. Carpet the whole house. Looks great. And then we had our windows cleaned by Matt Dickens. He cleaned all the windows. They look fantastic. He does biannual, annual, weekly, whatever you need for windows. So we'll put his information. He's one of our clients. So call Matt for window cleaning. We replaced this toilet and had several issues with the plumbing. So we used our guy Jason. Believe it or not, his last name is Plumber. And he's the plumber we use. He's owns the company, so he's very responsive, great guy to work with, honest, fair on pricing. So call Jason for your plumbing needs. Hooked us up on this place. And then we had to rebuild a door out back because the door was in bad shape. So that's Ben Rice. So Ben owns his own company that does handyman services and some contract, and he's a licensed contractor. So call Ben Rice when you need a job like this done. So he redid the door. And then I think that's it on all of our contractors in here. This is gonna go on the market third week in April. It's gonna be priced to sell under $425. If you're seeing this video and want more information about the listing, hit us up, leave us a DM, or call us 775-525-0309, and we'll hook you up with the listing. And if you want a private showing, that's a good way to do it. So otherwise, you guys have a good weekend. We'll talk to you soon.